Hi guys. Welcome back. Today is an exciting day for all you youngsters out there. We are going to be making a volcano. Oh my god. Okay. I was in town this morning and I saw that they had this. It took an interest and he's got his goggles on. I've got my goggles here. Let's just get into it. So this kit comes with card scene. So it looks like it's going to erupt. It has red dye for the colour of the volcano. This is going to be falling a lot, isn't it? It comes with a bag of baking soda, or you can grab a bag or some baking soda if you've got any at home. Balsamic vinegar. Okay, what do you call this? What do you call it?
Funnel.
A funnel. We've got a funnel. So that on there. A very cute volcano, which I thought would be bigger, but apparently not, which is upsetting. What you do is you put the the baking soda in here, and then red dye to it, and then add the vinegar, and then you quickly screw on this and hopefully it should erupt. We have a tablecloth thing to make sure there's no mess. So Ed's just going to be my little helper. I'm going to be the master and he's my trainee over here. So should we get started? He's just not going to talk today. Yes. So we got our baking soda and it says to pour a certain amount of baking soda. All of it. Okay, so we just pour it in there. What the fuck? Oh my god. It's literally stuck. Oh my god. Ed! Oh my god. Okay, we'll just do that then. Get a funnel that actually works properly. Oh my god. It's snowing. Right, and it's a snowy mountain. Oh my god. Okay, let's add our red dye in. Right, be ready with this. Hold it. I'm going to pour the vinegar in, and then Ed's going to quickly put the cap on top of the volcano. Quick, 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 quick. Oh fuck! We made a volcano! Well, it smells nice. Oh my god. Yay, we did it. That's how you make a volcano. Thanks for watching. And good night. Oh my god.